Hey everyone, so I'm going to do the second look with this, and I'm going to use the colors I didn't use last week, which is these three colors right here, green, brown. I mixed the white but with the pink, but these are the colors I'm going to use. So I've already used my green Idolize on my lid. So we started, I'm going to start with that green color. Oh, that is really a rich green. That's pretty. And then, of course, I'm going to go into that brown. And I'm using a pencil brush just because I like the preciseness of it. Oh, this is Lauren Luke's too. Y'all know she's back, right? Isn't that cool? And she's very happy. She talks about, why she left. How just like Nikki's tutorial, she was screwed too. She got like nothing, and then she had to fight for her name to sell her brushes, and yeah. So but she's happy now. She's got a man. Her son is a big man, and she's doing tutorials again, which I think is awesome. So just with a big fluffy brush, I'm using the white, then go over it with this. That green is really beautiful. So just gonna use regular black liner mascara, finish my makeup, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. So this time I used the Sunset Junction. This one it has the contour highlighter and bronzer or highlighter and blush all in one. I never got the darker one. It was too dark for me. And then I'm using my Liquid Catsuit High Shine, the red one, with my red lip liner from Wet n Wild. Trying to think if there was something else I did. No, I think that's all I did. And, I just wanted to show you my nails. This one, you remember last week it was a stub, and I did an extension. Extensions are hard for me. They chip very easily. When I used to do it with the gel one, the asp gel, it used to last, and then that stopped working for me, and now that I'm using the actual fiberglass with the resin, that one chips on me. So I usually put 2 layers. This was longer actually, and it chipped. So you could even tell if you could really right here. So I just kind of filed it down and put more resin. I have to put it on the underside too, and finally it stopped chipping. But I'm just like really happy with these nails. I love this color. It is a neon pink. It's the Brights that Sally's had from a long time ago. And I put from Avon, I had a pearl shine, pinky pearl top coat. And I put that on, and I'm just loving this. I'm really enjoying this. Just really happy how my nails turned out. And so yeah, I think that's all I did with the makeup. I'm trying to see if I did anything else. The only other thing I could say is the mascara keeps getting on my crease or contour area of the eye, and the black blends in with that brown. This is a pretty dark brown when you put it on, but I was kind of trying to soften it out, but Once that mascara got on it, that was it. And as usual, mascara's getting down the bottom. But um, anyway, so that's what I did with the makeup.